Welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to take you shopping for dinner. Grab your trusty wooden spoons. Let's all meet back in the kitchen while we go shopping in the town of Ponza. But first, if you haven't heard, Ischia wins first place in annual travel and leisure survey. That's right, readers were enamored by Ischia's picturesque villages, thermal springs, and unspoiled beaches. But we all know it begins with the people of the island. They are just wonderful, patient, kind, big-hearted, helpful, courteous. Truly, the people make the island extra and special.
See that? Major. And see the olive trees are ancient. Can you see that? All the olives. So here we are. Alright, onward and upward. Tonight, just gonna start with a cold plate, nice and easy. Out of respect for the folks that work at the supermercato, I did not film inside the market. However, here is a look at all the fresh fruits and vegetables that I was able to purchase and bring home. The fresh radicchio, garlic, beautiful little lychee marinated for a future evening's meal. I picked up some fresh celery, parsley, escarole, of course, the zucchini, and fresh fruit for the evening's dessert. By the way, the pomodorini is just spectacular right now. Molto sole, much sun is making those tomatoes so sweet. Okay, tonight's dinner, a cold plate, chopped tomatoes, sliced onion, some tuna over some fresh bread with olive oil, some peas with some nice onions, and then I'm just going to do some rustically chopped zucchini, some dried fig added in there, some black olive oil, salt, and a little pepper, and of course some yellow sweet pepper. There we are, there's this evening's meal. I wanted to take a moment and say many thanks for subscribing to A Chef Called Rhonda. It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. My grandfather, this lovely, patient, wonderful man. Many fond memories celebrating every Sunday with my grandparents, Joe and Jenny Dean. Hey, until we meet again, I bid you arrivederci from my kitchen to yours. Ciao!